Clear a 13.03 paper jam for the HP LaserJet Pro 4006, 4007, 4008, and MFP 4112, 4113, and 4114 printer series. A 13.03 error code on the printer control panel indicates a paper jam in tray 2. Step 1. Remove jammed paper. Pull tray 2 completely out of the printer. Remove any jammed or damaged sheets of paper. Reinsert and close tray 2. Open the toner cartridge access door. Remove the toner cartridge. Lift the metal flap to access jammed paper. Remove any jammed paper seam. Close the metal flap. Reinsert the toner cartridge. Close the toner cartridge access door. When reinserting the paper, make sure the paper guides are adjusted properly for the paper size. Step 2. Clean the paper feed rollers. Over time, dust and paper fibers can accumulate on the feed rollers. If you are experiencing persistent jams, clean the rollers. For this step, gather a lint-free cloth and distilled or filtered water. Remove tray 2. To remove the tray roller assembly, pull forward on the tab and then slide the rollers off the shaft. Dampen and strain the lint-free cloth. Use the dampened lint-free cloth to clean the rollers. Allow the feed roller assembly to dry for 10 minutes. Reinstall the rollers by sliding them back onto the shaft. Reinsert tray 2. Reinsert the paper. Adjust the paper guides to rest against the edges of the stack. If the steps in this video did not help and you are still experiencing the same issue, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.